Hey there, welcome to this video. I quickly want to show you how to create these awesome PDF ebooks. Like this took me about 15 minutes to create. Take a look, it's 19 pages. And yes, I created it. I'm just gonna keep scrolling down. Look at that, some pictures, some nice words in there that I put in there. There's even a buy button which has my link in there. Look at that. So 19 pages. Do you guys want to know how I created this in about 15 minutes? Well, I use this software called a Passive Profit Builder. Now, this document that I created is a review of Passive Profit Builder, and I want to show you how I did it inside the software. So this is, right now I'm logged in inside the software, and it's so super simple to use. That's what I love about it. It's laid out very nicely. And it's like one step after another without being very overwhelming. That's how it's laid out. So this is, when you log in, you come to this page. I think you have to click on settings, and it takes you to this page. And what you have to do, if you're brand new, you obviously won't have anything under product list. I created one, so I have, you know, Passive Profit Builder already in there. But when you're brand new, what you have to do is go ahead and start entering all the information that you need. It's asking you for stuff. All you have to do is enter the information you need and just click on the Save and Next button. Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail of how to fill everything in, because you can actually, if you watch a training video that's inside the members area as well, you are going to find all of that information in there. Mosh Berry, who's the creator of this, he goes into a lot of detail. There's a video version and a PDF version that you could go in, and he'll show you how to fill all of that in. So let me show you the one I did create. So I came in, obviously entered put my affiliate ID in, told them what pages I want, and he goes through in detail in the training video what each page means, how many pages do you want, how do you know how many pages you want. He goes through in detail, right? Then I clicked on Save and Next, and each of the section is broken up on the side over here that you see. You can actually see like what section you're working on. So right now it's the button styling, and if you're, you know, brand new and you don't know anything, or like code name, like, you know, those HTML codes and stuff, don't worry about it. It's just how the button is designed. So if you really wanted to, you could change the design of it. You could change what the text is. I just left it. I was like, I don't care. They're perfectly good. So I just clicked on Save and Next. Now in here, what I did was I went into, I had to fill a couple of things out, right? So on the top it has the images section, so I had to click on add an image. And initially, I'll tell you this. Initially, I started clicking on upload, okay, and I was uploading the image. Now, if you watch a training video, it talks about the structure of how you want to name each of the files and how you upload it. So that's what I was doing. So the way he was naming them is, you know, sales page 1, sales page 2, so SP1, SP2, and that's how I was loading them up. I think the problem was that everybody was using the same name structure and uploading the picture of the sales page, and it was just messing up the picture. So the way to work around it, either you name your pictures very unique and upload it so that no one else in the system has the same the picture name, or I just upload it to my hosting and I posted the link in there. Then I went ahead and added some text, and I clicked on preview, which would just gave me what the page looks like. So this is what the page looks like, nice and pretty with the pictures and the text. So let's see, this is the first page, right? That's the first page. That's what the pages look like. And I tried to do this. I was like, how hard can this be, right? Like, it's just putting in a Word document and like putting some pictures in and putting some text in, and so how hard can this possibly be? So what I did, actually, let me show you. Okay, so what I actually did was I went and opened a Word document. I said, okay, let me just try to do this myself. How hard can it be, right? why do I need a software to do this? And I made about 2 pages and I gave up. I'm like, no, I'm just gonna go back to the software. Because when you start doing it this way, first of all, when I first doing it on this page, I had to format the pictures. You know, you had to do the layout and you had to make them like nice and pretty. Then you had to create a button-like thing and put your link in. You got to right-click and hyperlink and all that. Then I said, okay, now that I have the first page done, I can just copy and paste. So I did that for my second page. I tried to replace the text, but then when you select the text, it selects the pictures. Then I had to go do like 2 columns. I mean, it was a mess. It was a mess. So I am just glad that this software exists where all I have to do is upload some pictures, put some text in, and click on the Save and Next button. So that was my first sales page view. This is my second one. Again, with the pictures and text, it looks nice and pretty. So I really like it. I think it's definitely worth it. Then the other areas the other sections I worked on, of course, I gave members inside the members area preview. Again, I took some pictures from inside the members area and I put those in. I talked about, you know, what I thought about the product. I talked about all the OTOs that are part of it. I talked about what bonuses the vendor offers. I talked about what bonuses I'm offering, what problems I saw, then I gave some ratings. And then all you have to do is create and share. So that's how simple that was to create. It didn't take me that long at all to create versus the going back and forth on a Word document or any other Word type editing software that you use. Now, if you're wondering where I got the context from, then if you are looking for a launch to promote, you just go onto a site like monetize, and if you see, I mean, the profit builder itself is being released on the 26th. So what you would do is just kind of click on, and once you find the product you want to promote, just kind of click on that and go to the JV page, and you can get, pause this video. The video is funny for this one. You would go, you know, do a sales page preview. You would contact the person. So at the bottom of each JV page is usually the contact information of that person. So you would just contact them and say, hi, I need, you know, product review access, or and then, you know, your sales page. So you could just do an in-depth review. So that's how you would get the screenshots in, and you could do your honest review. So it's really simple. I really like the way the software is laid out. Like I said, you know, just makes it super simple for you to do your reviews. No more copy and, well, actually you do have to copy and paste, but it's no more formatting of the, you know, information. You just actually really have to just copy and paste. Toolkit, because it will help you do a lot of reviews in a faster amount of time, which is more money in your account, right? All right, this is Shreya, guys, signing off.